Wax on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we are again.
Again.
We're doing 2 footlongs each from the Subway.
I've never had 2 before. Never.
Me neither. I've got chicken tikka and a steak and cheese.
I've got chicken tikka and the meatball marinara.
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 Okay then. We're just going to see if we can eat more.
Yeah, see what we can do.
Let's do it.
Let's go. I want the meatball first.
Get the meatball. No, the meatball.
That ain't, what is that?
Chicken tikka.
Oh, I want the meatball. You can go over there a minute.
Oh, mate, so dry.
That's what I mean. This is gonna be hard, you know. Oh my god.
What?
Wow.
Oh yeah.
I've never had this bread before neither.
It's normal. A cold. I got mayo on mine as well.
Mmm. Meatball. My jaw hurts.
Wow.
It's so weird. All these people watching this. What are you looking at? Look what it is.
The bread man. If we finish this, we finish 4 foot food. So fast 4 times. 4 foot food, 4 foot food, 4 foot food, 4 food.
It's called French.
Vavavoom.
Vavavoom. 4 foot food.
Hey, Thierry.
Mouth's so dry.
Oh, I've got fork now.
It'd be better if it was hotter, I feel.
Yeah. Yeah. To the bread now. Too much.
This is my breakfast.
Yeah, real one.
Real one. Ooh.
Sounds like a lion. Roar!
That's had a funny thought then.
I bought these from Subway, and just as I was about to pay, the woman was like, "You want any cookies?" I was like, "No, babe." Oh.
See, that's weird, like, I get bored of eating this, but then I could eat something really sweet now. I could eat a massive bowl of ice cream. It's like my body goes. That's enough food now.
Yeah.
Where's your sugar?
Yeah. It's bright.
You don't know off my half?
No. Same for your wife.
Really hard, isn't it? It's just the chewing.
No, for me it's just the bread.
I feel like, you know, when you watch them movies, and they're like, oh, here's the goat. And they turn to the goat and he's just like,
Yeah. I feel like the goat.
he made the face.
Oh, the face. Finished.
It's like 13 minutes. Good going.
Help with the table.
You gonna plant them seeds?
Yeah. But mate. All these challenges is putting me off that certain food.
Yeah.
Milkshake. Milkshake. I'll never eat nuggets again. I'll probably have a steak and cheese. Chicken. I don't want chicken taste again.
Yeah, the taste gets spoiled.
It's just the dryness.
Swollen.
Yeah. Nothing's flavourful.
I should have started with the teacup.
Mm.
And then had the wet.
Of the man and a half.
No. This is dry.
Yeah. Mine was dry and I had like a bucket of mayonnaise on each. Whoa! I hate the end so bad.
Oh my god.
It's just bread.
No, down to there is okay. And that bit there.
Yeah. So
Oh my god.
all up down, man. You got like 7 inches left. Yeah. I'm so full it's making my nose run.
I bet Nathan would eat this, you know.
Who's that?
Nathan.
Yeah.
He's a pig. You're a pig, mate. I've seen him eat loads.
I'll tell you in a minute.
Tell you a minute. He'll definitely be calling me, you know, a cat. Like swearing. Definitely.
You can finish that?
I'm calling.
No, I just meant, do you think you will?
I probably could, but it's going to take about half an hour.
Oh, mate.
You look full.
I am, man.
If you don't want half that.
I don't want it. If you got to finish it, say grab it.
I want to finish it so bad.
It's up to you. What's the plan?
I'm just being silent to wind you up.
That went silent. Oh, that's going to stink again like last one.
I'm really sorry.
Is it bad?
It's bad.
Hang on, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not going to finish it.
So,
I could try, but it's going to take me about 20 minutes to eat that little bit.
so what did we do then? 3.5 foot we did. We did 3.5 foot.
I only did a foot and a half. I feel a bit disappointed, but
Yeah, it's alright.
it's alright.
We still love you. Sweet. I finished. No, I didn't. Successful.
Again.
In a bit.
Bye.